The other thing that's really important, especially in our line of work, is 59.5 is typically when we can begin to do an in-service rollover of a 401k. What does that mean? Great question. Thank you so much for asking. That means that if you're still working at your employer, and even if you've been there for 30 years, once you turn 59.5, you can typically, not always, but typically, take that money out of the 401k and roll it into an IRA, still contribute to your current 401k, and invest that other money different. And that's huge for us because we really want to change those allocations.
Yeah, so talk about why that is so important, because I think a lot of folks don't understand that, one, they can do typically an in-service distribution or in-service rollover rather, but why someone really wants to seriously consider doing that when they reach 59.5.
Sure. So if you look at your typical 401k, it might have 20 different mutual funds, one stable value fund. So it might have one safe option, and then a whole bunch of mixes of stocks and bonds.
Right.
And that's it.
So your options are just so limited.
When you have an IRA, there are over 5,000 individual stocks. There are over 25,000 mutual funds. There are structured notes. There are insurance products. There are fixed products. There are CDs that you can use. There are fixed annuities. There are all kinds of different things that you can do as real estate investment trusts that you can do inside of an IRA that you just can't do in a 401k. And if we're trying to focus on creating a custom plan, we don't want to go with generalized options that make sense for everybody while they're accruing money.
Right.
We need to have a little bit more finesse to figure out how we can plan your retirement appropriately. And to do that, we need a few more options. Thank you for watching. If you'd like to schedule a 15-minute phone call, go ahead and click the link in the description below, and we look forward to talking to you soon.